Hey guys, so I'm back and it is the night before New Year's Eve, and I just wanted to come on here really quickly to go over something that I got, which is the Create Your Dream Life Dear Future Self Vision Board Kit. I am definitely someone who loves vision boards. I've been making them every year for a number of years. I don't even know when I did my first vision board, but I just feel like it's so important to create a vision board just to focus on your goals. Last year I did a video which I went over my process of creating my vision board for 2023. And I also am going to do a video just kind of recapping everything that I manifested, everything that came true and happened for me throughout the year. And in 2023, I pretty much reached all of my goals, like everything that I set out to do. So this year, I definitely wanted to go into the new year with the new vision board for 2024. And I saw this kit and it was on Amazon. So I decided to get it because I love to focus on seeing what my accomplishments were for the previous year, going over all of my goals, just kind of writing everything out, planning it out before I actually make my board. So I thought that this was going to be a great kit. As you can see, it has so many different elements that come in the box, and it has 24 task cards, one poster, one workbook, and 30 inspiration cards. So there's a workbook in here where you can just write everything out, plan your goals. So I thought that it was so great to have something all in one kit. You can have your prompts there and everything that's going to help you just to set out what it is that you want to do and what you want to accomplish in 2024. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is a really nice size, nice and compact. And then once you open it up, you have your Dear Future Self Vision Board Workbook right at the top here. Create your dream life with images, quotes, and affirmations. So of course, positive affirmations are always great. And on the back it says, only you can turn your dreams into reality. This is so nice. And it has all this information inside that you can fill out. So what I'm gonna do is actually go through this workbook and complete as much as I can before I do the vision board. But they have so much. They talk about your current life. They give you instructions on how to create your vision board and use the kit, planning out your dream life, talking about your values, your anti-vision, what you don't want to see for yourself, your wishes, and then they categorize everything, which is pretty cool. And that's usually how I like to plan out my goals when I write them out for the year, is to categorize things, because it makes it so much easier to set out and see what it is that you want to do. So some of the categories that they have are career and finance, fitness and health, love and relationships, travel and adventure, creativity and leisure, further development, home and environment, family and friendships, mindfulness, and self-love. Oh, those are excellent. Feelings that you have, letting go, what your beliefs are, and then at the end of the workbook, they have an action plan. So that's really going to be great just to help you track your progress and see how you're coming along with all of your visions that you have created on your board. They have a lot of quotes here at the end as well. Definitely what I had in mind when I saw that they had a workbook in here. It even exceeds what I thought because they have so many different pages and categories in here. And then underneath the workbook is my vision board. So the poster is folded up so that it fits nicely in the box. It says create your dream life with images, quotes, and affirmations. So you can open this up. I like to hang my vision boards or, you know, put them up on my wall in my room so I can see it every day. So I think that I may like mount this onto a poster board so that it'll be stiff with a stiff background. That's the only thing that I don't really like, is that it's like a folded image. But I think it'll be okay if I mount it on a board and then I can put it on my wall once I'm done. So hopefully you guys can see this okay. But this is the vision board kit. They have the tips in the middle. Oh, and they do say that you can iron it or weight it down or put it in a frame. So just what I was talking about, just different suggestions on what you can do with the poster just to flatten it out. And I think that I really like the idea of putting it in a frame. So I think this is pretty much a standard size. So I think that that's probably what I'm gonna do, is put it in a frame, and then I can put it on my wall. And then they have on the back here, so this is just like the instruction side, which is really cool. It shows you everything that you have inside, how everything works. And then when you flip it over, this is the actual board where you're gonna do all of your work. So we have the different categories that I mentioned. And so you'll be able to write things down in some of these areas, and then you can put photos, pictures, quotes within there. So I think that this is so cool because I don't usually write things down. Like, I'll just put all of the images that I find. But this is really cool because it categorizes everything for you. So sometimes I do kind of categorize the images that I paste on my board. So this makes it very clear because you see the category names there. It's very clear. You can write down like your top 3 items for that particular category of goals. And again, you know, health and fitness. So you can put a couple photos and then write like your top 3 goals there. So I love this. This is so cool. Such a great way to come up with an organized, concise, focused board so that all of your goals are really organized and straightforward. And then there's a few more things that we have in the box. So these task cards, they go along with the workbook. So they'll tell you like day 1, today's task can be found in the workbook on page 4. So they work together so that you can use the task cards to help you when you're going through the workbook. They give you some reflection. Like this one says, ask yourself, how am I really feeling right now? So these task cards can go along with the workbook. And then we have the inspiration cards. So these are just inspiration cards, and this can be used to put on your vision board where you have images. So they have like little quotes, create, balance, love. They have photos, like stock photo images. So it just kind of helps you. Oh, this is definitely for me. It's my graphic design and my art and my YouTube and my websites and all of those things. So they definitely have some great photos here, books. So you can use some of these images. I'm gonna go through here and see what works for me. So that is everything that they have here in the kit, the Dear Future Self kit. So this is gonna be a little bit different for me. Like I said, I usually just create my own thing, put all of my images there. But I think that this is gonna be really cool to go through and really do the reflections. I've already started writing out some of my goals for the new year, but I'm gonna go ahead and really focus in and work through the workbook with the task cards and put everything together. And I don't know how soon I'll be able to finish it, but once I'm done, I'll add an image of the finished board on the end of this video. So thank you guys for taking the time to check this out with me. And if you guys haven't already gotten started on your vision board, then I would highly suggest checking this out. Like I said, I got it on Amazon, and it is the Dear Future Self Vision Board Kit. So let me know in the comments your thoughts. What are some creative ideas and different things that you've been doing for your vision board and your goals for the new year? And of course, if you like this content, then give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in hearing more content from me. So thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye.